Welcome to our channel. Travel insurance provides peace of mind and financial protection during your trips. Step 1. Assess your needs based on your destination, trip length, and planned activities. Step 2. Compare policies from multiple providers to find the best coverage and price. Step 3. Check what's already covered by your credit card or existing health insurance to avoid duplicate coverage. Step 4. Ensure medical coverage is adequate, especially for destinations with high healthcare costs. Step 5. Look for trip cancellation and interruption coverage to protect your investment. Step 6. Verify that adventure activities you plan to do are included in the policy. Step 7. Check baggage loss and delay coverage limits to ensure they meet your needs. Step 8. Read the fine print to understand exclusions and claim procedures. Step 9. Look for 24-hour emergency assistance services. Step 10. Purchase insurance soon after booking your trip to maximize coverage benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.